Hi, greetings, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, dear gentle heart, and how are you today? We're going to practice a energizing breathing practice, and it's great to do when you wake up. If you're feeling a bit lethargic, a bit jaded, tired, and you need to get alert, you need to get on the program, get up and get ready for the day, this breathing practice is great to do then. And it's also good to do maybe if you've got a sluggish digestive system, you can do this breathing practice. And even before doing a yoga practice, you want to just have your energy raised up a bit, you can do this breathing practice then. So the reason why it's called an energizing breathing practice is because we're taking very short, sharp exhalations. We're not doing those long, soft ones, doing short, sharp exhalations. And you want to, let's break it down. Put your finger underneath your nose and put your other hand on your navel area and pretend you've got a bee on the end of the nose and you're just trying to blow the bee away. You may want to blow your nose beforehand. So you've got one hand on your navel area, belly area, you've got your other hand just underneath, resting on your upper lip, and you've got a bee here, and just you're trying to blow. Can you feel that? Do you notice? Can you feel the breath on your upper finger, on your finger? And can you feel that sort of pumping action with the belly? Yeah? That's it. So basically, for the duration, for the particular practice, we're going to do 20 of those short, sharp exhalations. We're going to do breathe in, breathe out. You may want to have a little rest, and we're going to do it twice more. And at the end, no expectation, just notice what you notice, how you feel. So once you're settled in your comfortable position, you can keep your hand here if you want, under your nostril, or you can just rest your hands, both hands, on your belly. Let's do the first one of our finger underneath underneath our nostril. So take a moment or two to get into position. Lower the shoulders, tuck the chin in. Set your intention that we're going to do 20. I'll do the counting. I'll just say exhale, 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 exhale. I'll do 20 of those. Then you inhale, exhale. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Let's go. Inhale, exhale, 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 exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. And again, full breath in. Okay, you ready for the next round? And exhale, 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 exhale. In. Ooh. And again. And the final round. Are you ready? Full breath in. flow up on its own accord. And then just come back to the everyday breath. And before you get up and go about your everyday routine, take a moment just to notice what you notice, how you're feeling. Well done. Take care, dear friend. Well done. Pat on the back. Well done. So that was an energizing breathing practice, fire breath, and it's really great to do when you wake up and you need to get up and go energy and you haven't got it. This will help to activate the nervous system and help to elevate your energy. So take care, and I wish you and your loved ones a peaceful and safe rest of the day. Take care.